Hi, and welcome to this course on the highly effective marketing practice of retargeting. So why retargeting? Well, think about your own buying practices. How often do you buy a product or service based on your first interaction with the business? It's almost never. It takes a few visits and some additional knowledge and reassurance from that brand. In fact, even for established brands, it takes on average 6 visits to a website to gain a conversion. And if your brand is new to a market, it could take many more than this. And all the time, your customer is being exposed to advertising from your competitors. So that's why it's crucial to use a retargeting strategy to remain top of mind and to continue to convince your potential customers that your product or service is the right one for them. And the data really speaks for itself. So according to CMO.com by Adobe, retargeting influences website visitors in such a powerful way that they are 70% more likely to convert. So the structure of this course will be as follows. We'll begin with an introduction to retargeting, before then moving on to how to actually develop your strategy and pick the right channels for your business. Then we'll move on to the more practical elements. So we'll look at using Google Analytics to actually segment your audience for retargeting, then feeding this data into Google AdWords for retargeting across display, video via YouTube, and the oft overlooked retargeting for search channel. We're then going to move on to social network retargeting via Facebook, which now, of course, incorporates Instagram. And once you've got the hang of all of that, we're going to look at a few more advanced strategies like negative retargeting and sequential retargeting through YouTube, so you can get clever in order to drive the maximum number of conversions. Finally, we're going to assess how to analyze the performance of your campaigns so that you can optimize to get the most ROI from this high converting practice. We'll also be discussing how GDPR may actually impact your company and how to ensure you're compliant. So let's get started.